Jah Chalice on the microphone. Hyena laugh at the wicked man and wicked woman. Them not the so-called upper class. Fire and brimstone. Check your self now. Before the chalice burn your skin.
Your plans for liberty. Are you afraid of success and abundance? Do you enjoy using women for amusement? Do you go for amusement? Down in the ghetto, so much malice, murder and ignorance. Gunman no business, not even baby stand a chance. Oh Jah Jahhhhhh, hellfire I go burn down civilization. Cause we no civilized at all. It's an illusion. Babylon tell we dreaming a plastic crap. Every youth get tricked with the social trap. Them teach self-hate in a hidden syllabus. Program the mind to keep we villainous. Police and preacher in a unholy pact. Politicians smiling with knife in a back. Jah voice in a the thunder. Say rise overstand. Before we self-destruct by we own to one. Are you your own worst enemy? Do you sabotage your plans for liberty? Are you afraid of success and abundance? Do you enjoy using women for amusement? Computerized prophecy I come through me speaker. Binary code from a digital preacher. Warning, humanity in danger of deletion if we no fix the corruption and treason. Missy man sell soul for a little applause. Woman turn queen crowned into lion's paws. We can't build nation from pure exploitation. Sex without love is just desecration. We laugh at the wise and follow the fool. Treat wisdom like relic from the old school. But every data stream in a Jah network. Say we must detox the mind before we sell birds. Why you know this sell Are you your own worst enemy? Do you sabotage your plans for liberty? Are you afraid of success and abundance? Do you enjoy using women for amusement? Pull up for amusement. Future machine tell me Jah Chalice speak plain. We can't win war with the same old brain. Stop feed fear, stop feed vanity. Stop run from truth, start live righteously. If we own worst enemy, then the battle internal. Revolution spiritual before it gets external. Stop this drop like a thunder from the ark. Light up the dark, plant roots in the park. Youth hold firm, no sell out for dollar. Defend your soul when temptation holler. Jah kingdom coded in a every DNA. We unlock that key when we live Jah way.